What are you doing in the laundry room, Amber? You have been standing here for a long time. Is everything okay? I don't think everything is okay, Ashley. I just started the washing machine, but it suddenly stopped. I have no idea what happened. Really? It was working perfectly yesterday. Did you press the correct button before starting the wash? Yes, I checked the settings twice. I closed the door properly, added the detergent, and pressed the start button. It worked for a few minutes, and then it suddenly became very quiet. Let me take a look. Sometimes the problem is very small and we worry for no reason. I hope you're right. I have a lot of clothes to wash today, and I don't want to wash everything by hand. The machine is completely silent. Is there any light on the display? No, the screen is completely dark. It looks like the machine is sleeping. Maybe it is not getting electricity. Did you check the power switch, Amber? Oh, I didn't think about that. Let me check. Is the switch on? Yes, it is on, Ashley. Everything looks normal. Then let's check the plug. The plug is still in the socket. Nothing looks loose. That's strange. Maybe we should unplug it for a minute and plug it in again. Do you think that will help? Sometimes it works. Many machines just need a simple restart. Okay, I'll unplug it carefully. Good. Now let's wait for 1 minute. Waiting is always the hardest part. I know, but we have to be patient. While we wait, can you help me fold these clean towels? Of course, give them to me. Thank you. I washed these yesterday. They smell very fresh. I like using this fabric softener. It makes the clothes smell nice. I noticed, even the towels feel very soft. That's why I was surprised when the machine stopped today. Don't worry yet, we haven't tried everything. You're always so calm. Panicking never fixes a machine. That's true. Okay, 1 minute is over. Plug it back in. Done. Now press the power button. Nothing happened. Really? Yes, the screen is still black. That didn't work. I was hoping it would. Me too. What should we do now? Let's think carefully. Did you hear any strange sound before it stopped? Yes, I think I did. What kind of sound? It made a loud humming noise for a few seconds. Then what happened? After that, everything became quiet. Did you smell anything unusual? No, I didn't smell smoke or anything burning. That's good news. Why? Because it probably isn't a serious problem. I hope you're right. Did you put too many clothes inside? Maybe. How many clothes did you put in? Almost all the dirty clothes from this week. That sounds like a lot. The basket was completely full. I think you overloaded the washing machine. Really? Yes. Washing machines work better when there is enough space for the clothes to move. I didn't know that. If there are too many clothes, the machine may stop to protect itself. I learned something new today. Let's open the door and remove some clothes. Good idea. Can you open it? No, the door is locked. Oh, that's another problem. Now what do we do? Don't worry, there is always a solution. I hope the solution comes quickly. It will. We just have to stay patient and think one step at a time. The washing machine door is still locked, and I have tried opening it several times, but it doesn't move at all. I think we should stop guessing and look for the instruction manual. That's a good idea because the manual can tell us exactly what to do, and we might solve the problem without calling a repair technician. The manual says we should unplug the washing machine, wait for 5 minutes, and then plug it back in before trying to start it again. While we are waiting, let's clean the laundry room and fold these clean towels because it will help us use our time wisely instead of worrying. 5 minutes are over now, so let's plug the machine back in and press the power button. I really hope this simple step fixes the problem. Look, the display screen is working again, and the washing machine door has finally unlocked, so now we can remove some of the extra clothes. I think the washing machine stopped because we put too many clothes inside, and there wasn't enough space for the drum to turn properly. Let's take out half of the clothes, close the door carefully, and start the washing machine again because it should work much better now. Wonderful! The machine has started normally. I can hear the water filling the drum, and everything sounds quiet and smooth again. Today, we learned that we should never overload the washing machine, and we should always read the instruction manual before getting worried, because simple problems often have simple solutions.